Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn, and I'm going to try to share some of my work with you all, so I hope you enjoy. I love you all out there, and God bless, and Jesus loves you all. Remember, God and Jesus love you too, and that He really answers prayers. Love you out there, okay? Here is a pie, sweetie pie, and my little cat Meadow. They love each other and love to play and everything. They're so cute. I hope you enjoy their cuteness. And I did a little kitty right here. I painted it. If you hear a little bit noise in the background, that's just them playing. She won't hurt Meadow. They just kind of play a little rough. But I painted Meadow right here. This little kitty. Looks almost just like her. See and she has the little cute marking too on her back. Look, a little paw and stuff. So it looks a lot like her anyway. Just a little cute kitty I painted along with all my little collections here. I got it with my little dog display. And this one looks like Sweetie, and this one looks like Honey. And some of my fish here, I do other videos on them, but hopefully I'll get some more next month. Little guppies anyway. Love you all. I hope you enjoyed this video of my artwork and everything. My little horse and bear, and some of my little collections here and stuff. I really love this. My Aunt Betty gave me this one. Little collections. And then I have my beautiful flower picture I painted. Some of my cool little stuff. And I have my wolf picture here. And of a lady. I colored it with a colored pencil. And over here, I did a paper mache bird and some beautiful butterflies. I love butterflies, so I have them in here. Some of my cool little collections up here. An emu and a bear with my plants. Kitty here. And then this cute little creature looks like Honey Puggle. I really love that kitty too. And then I did these cute little paintings of me and my mom. And a bird. And a ladybug. Oh, this is looks like a pigeon, I guess, the way I painted it, but it's supposed to be a dove. My 5-gallon fish tank that I have in other videos if you want to subscribe and check them out. Some cool little stuff. I love dolphins and turtles, so I have all that kind of stuff here. And then over here, I wood burned this little bird and butterfly. And the beautiful dove I wood burned. plants that I have in other videos. And this cute little bird, hummingbird and butterfly. I think I colored it in pencil too. And then here I painted a picture of peacock in here, and it's one of the prettiest things I've did artwork on. I think that I did it in colored pencil, and it probably took me about a year to do. Some cool stuff in my mom's room. I love the little turtles and the dolphins and stuff. Pretty cool. And then over here I made a wreath to match the little peacock. A honey puggle, our other dog, and Sweetie Pie hat. And here I colored this bird. And Jesus, hi Jesus. And I colored in this little lizard. And then I painted this beautiful little bunny and fish up here. I really like. I painted this one with watercolor. And that's pretty much all of my artwork. I love you all out there. God bless, and Jesus loves you all. And Sweetie says she loves you all out there too. I hope you enjoy. God bless, and Jesus loves you all.